In this video, I will show you to use Secure USB option in ManageEngine Desktop Central. I will create a policy which will block USB, and after that I will create a separate policy for Enable USB. Let's start with Create Policy to block the USB. Please follow the steps. Don't forget to subscribe. I have applied the policy to my PC. As you can see, my USB port is blocked. Now I will create a policy for allow the USB ports. Once the policy is applied to my PC, I am able to access my pen drive.
Thanks for watching the video. Keep supporting. Hasta la vista.